Okay, I've got a 2012 Toyota Auris 1.3 petrol. The issue is a small device here called an eco run converter. Sits to the left hand side of the battery compartment, and there is literally one plug which plugs into the side of it. The eco run converter is held on either side by one bolt, so there's 2 bolts in total. I have the new part here. Okay, let me see if you can see the part number on it there. So it's Golf 92 Charlie Oscar 52050. This is a different part number from the original part that's in the car because it has been superseded. I'm going to remove the eco run converter here now and put the new one in, and then I'll explain has it fixed the problem. The eco run converter has now been fitted, and we've replaced the plug. When you're replacing the plug, make sure and pull this grey handle, which is normally down here, pull it right up level with the keys. It clips the converter into place. We'll go round now and just check, is the dashboard flashing? And if we look in through the window, we can see that the problem has now been cured. We'll just open the car and just door closed, lights have gone off. I'm going to lock the car just to be sure. Perfect, and the problem has been cured.